Hi everyone, welcome to this quick start guide on getting started with Blits. Let's dive in and get you up and running in no time. Built on top of the Lightning 3 renderer, Blits is a lightweight framework designed to make app development both simple and enjoyable. It provides all the tools necessary to accelerate your workflow without sacrificing performance. One of the standout features is its intuitive XML-like syntax, which makes your code easy to read and write. Plus, it has built-in reactivity, ensuring that your apps are not only fast to build, but also highly responsive. Getting started is a breeze. First, open your terminal or command prompt and run this command to create a new Blits project. The setup will guide you through the process in just a few steps. Once the project is created, navigate to the project folder and install the necessary dependencies. After that, you can spin up your development server with this simple command. This will bundle your app and launch a development server. Just open your browser and there you have it, your first Lightning 3 app running smoothly. Isn't that awesome? And that is all it takes. You're now ready to explore the full potential of Blits and build amazing TV apps.